is a manager, we need to include Sean Gibbons because he's probably up there with Bruce Trampler, Brad Goodman in terms of matchmaking, because it seems like Sean Gibbons, whether he's a manager or advisor, I'll put him in the manager role, but if I'm wrong about calling him a manager, then I guess I'm sorry. But Gibbons is one of the smartest people at looking at fights and assessing fights and advising careers. I look at someone like Isaac Cruz and seeing how his career is now being molded into that of kind of an organic superstar, when many people a few years ago didn't even see much value in him. That is a pathway to monetize a fighter for them to maximize their potential. So I really want to give big credit to Sean Gibbons for forging that path for his fighter. And then one that's really under the radar, Tim Van Nieuwhouse has a slew of fighters, but the big one that I want to talk about is Naji Lopez. Naji, to me, could be one of the best fighters in the world when it's his time to fight. And Van Nieuwhouse has Naji Lopez, and that's a huge addition because that guy can really fight. So I think that Van Nieuwhouse, a lot of people overlook him, but he's right up there. Did we get it right?
Alright, so sa usaping Manager of the Year sa mundo po ng boxing, ito pong mga boxing vlogger sa US, talagang they are counting Sir Sean Gibbons in sa usapin na yan. Inihanay pa nga siya kila Sir Bruce Trampler, kila Sir Brad Goodman. Yan pong mga yan ay mga veterano na. Marahil yung iba sa inyo, sino ba si Brad Goodman? Sino ba si Bruce Trampler? Sila po yung mga kilala na talagang matchmaker. Actually, magkakasama sila dati together with Sir Sean Gibbons sa Top Rank. Sila po yung mga tao na gumagawa po sa likod ng entablado. At sila po yung mga kilalang matchmaker talaga na gumagawa ng mga malalaking laban na napapanood nyo po sa mainstream, mga idol. So, yun nga daw po, no? Sabi nitong si ITR Boxing, kung meron mang kikilalaning Manager of the Year, dapat nandyan nakahana yung Sean Gibbons, kasi ay example niya yung Isaac Pitbull Cruz, mga kaibigan, na dati walang pumapansin, hindi kinikilala yung kanyang talent kasi ganun lang, no, rugged, susuntok ng malakas, tapos sabayan, para sa kanila parang lumang estilo na ng boxing yon. Gusto nila yung mga stylist, mga complete type of fighter. Pero dahil kay Sir Sean Gibbons, na-recognize ang kakayahan ni Isaac Pitbull Cruz. Siya lang naman ang nakapagpahirap ng ganun kay Tank Davis, mga idol. So, ngayon, nasa mapa na ng international boxing community si Isaac Pitbull Cruz. And lahat pa, mga idol, actually dito sa atin, mga idol, si Vincent Astrolabio, yung kakapanalo lamang nung isang linggo against sa Nikolai Potapov. Mga idol, before the victory versus Ray Gondo, bago ang title eliminator na to, karamihan po sa mga boksingero, sa mga Filipino fans, hindi po siya kilala. Hindi po nga nababanggit ang kanyang pangalan sa mga forum. Ngayon, lahat po ng mga mainstream media, laman ng kanyang pangalan. Ini-interview siya ng mga top dog sa larangan ng sports journalism. Nung nakaraang gabi lang, kinapanayam siya ni Sir Kinito Henson, ni Ma'am Diane Castillejo, and they were so impressed dahil po dito sa pinakitang husay ni Vincent Astrolabio. And Sir Sean Gibbons was commended so much because, you know, he has given this kid a chance na naman para mamayagpag sa international boxing community. At hindi lang po yan, napakarami nyo pa pong Pilipinong makikita na lalaban na po sa labas ng bansa early next year. So yun lamang po, be excited about Philippine boxing. Viva MP Promotions, Viva Promotions, and Knuckleheads Pro Boxing Fraternity. At mabuhay po ang mga MP Promotions fighters, lahat ng boksingerong Pilipino, lalo na yung mga mababait, mga grateful, mga hindi nangaaway ng promoter, mga hindi mga ingrato. Mabuhay kayong lahat. At sa lahat ng mga kangkong, umiyak kayo. Merry Christmas.